Hey guys, welcome back. And in this video, I'm going to show how you can use a form to collect data in a base that you have an Airtable automatically. So guys, sometimes we need to create such forms to collect information from various sources and from various purposes. And we want to collect the data from those forms in a separate spreadsheet kind of thing like we have in Airtable. Okay, so to streamline and fast pace this process, this automation is for you. And here it is going to work like this. Let me show you. Here you just have to create a form with the help of Pabbly Form Builder. In place of this, you can use any other form building application as well. And as and when any person is going to submit that form by filling that form, the data of that form is going to be saved here in a table in Airtable base automatically. So you need not to copy paste the data from your form and come here and manually paste the data again in Airtable. So it is going to happen automatically, and it will surely save a lot of your crucial time and efforts and improves your productivity. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And guys, the best part of setting up this automation is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. So any person can set up this automation very easily. So now let's set up this automation together. So guys, the first step to set up this automation is to log in into your Pabbly Connect account and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect like this. Okay, and to reach here, you can use the link that we have pasted in the description for you, from where you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and it will provide you 100 free automation tasks for every new month. Okay, so after setting up your account, you can log in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And here you have to start setting up this automation by creating a workflow. So to create a workflow, you just have to click here on this create workflow button. And here in this field, you can give a suitable name to this workflow. So let me fill the name here. So I have given the name to this workflow as add Pabbly Form Builder responses to Airtable automatically. Now I can click here on this create button, and you can see your workflow getting created on this page like this. And here you will find these two things first, the trigger and the action. So this automation is going to work on these two things. So the trigger here is the happening of that event which is going to trigger this workflow, and the action would be the response towards that trigger. As another use case, the trigger would be a form submission received from Pabbly form, and the action towards that trigger would be to add the same response into Airtable automatically. Okay, so first of all, you have to set up this trigger here. So from this choose app field, choose your trigger application, which is a Pabbly Form Builder. Okay, so search for Pabbly Form Builder here like this and select it. And now you have to select the trigger event as new form submission, and it will give you this URL. So this is called as a Webhook URL, guys, and it is used to fetch the data out from any external application to here in Pabbly Connect. So with the help of this Webhook URL, we are going to make the connection with Pabbly Form Builder by following these steps. Then we are going to capture the data from our form to here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you can follow these instructions. Let me show you how you can make the connection. So first of all, you have to reach the Pabbly Form Builder's dashboard. So this is my dashboard, guys, and here I have created this contact form. Let me show you. Okay, so this is a contact form I have created. Okay, so I'm going to integrate this form with our workflow. So you have to click on integrations on from this left hand side panel. Click on integrations. Okay, and here you have to select your form, which is contact us form, contact with us. Okay, and under this form you have to create a webhook by clicking on create webhook button, and here in this add webhook field you have to paste the webhook URL that you have got here in your workflow. So first of all, just copy this webhook URL from here and paste it here in this add webhook field in Pabbly Form Builder. Then click on save. Okay, and you can see a new webhook is added here, right? And here you can see, as you have it has started showing this label and value in this response received section. So guys, now you have to click here on this recapture webhook response button. Click on yes, and it will start showing this waiting for the webhook's response. So this means now you have to perform a test submission or a demo submission from your form and we are going to capture the demo data here, and with the help of that demo data or test data we are going to move forward in this automation. Okay, so I have opened my form here. Let me fill this form. So I am filling the form with the name, let's say Miss Simran Khan is filling this form. This is the email ID of this person, and let me fill the number. Okay, and this is the street address. Okay, and I'm submitting this form. Okay, and you can see the message is submitted successfully. Now let's check in Pabbly Connect workflow if we got the data from this form. So here you can see in this responses received section we got the data of the person as this. Okay, right now I want to add this data in Airtable in a base here that I have created here in Airtable. Okay, so this is a table I have created under this Pabbly Form Builder base. Okay, so I want to add the data that I have received from the form here. Okay, so for that to happen you have to connect Airtable application in the sections tab. So here in the section event you have to select create record option, select this. Okay, then click on connect and you will be connected with Airtable. Now from here you have to select add new connection, and here it will ask for this token key to make the connection with Airtable. So you will find this API key or the token key from the account section of the Airtable. So click on accounts here from here only, and it will bring you to this page of Airtable, and from here only you will find this API key written here. So just copy this key and paste this key here in this token field, and then click on save, and you will be connected with Airtable. Okay, so we are connected now, and here it is asking for the base ID. So when you click on this field it will show you all the bases that you have created in Airtable. So our base is here, you can see this is my base, Pabbly Form Builder. Okay, so you have to select this base from this list. Okay, so search for Pabbly Form Builder. Okay, select it, and now it will ask for the table's name. So the table's name is table 1, so it gets selected here automatically because we have only one table right now, so it is selected here. Now it is asking for the first name, the last name, the email, and the phone. So these are nothing but the headers of the table we have. Okay, so I'm going to map this data from our first step where we have collected the data from the form response from Pabbly form. Okay, so to map the data here you just have to click here on this first name, and it will show you this Pabbly Form Builder new step in the drop down, and from here only you will find the first name of this person. Okay, the last name you will find here. Okay, and for the email use the same way, find the email address, map it, and for the phone number use the same process and map the phone number. Okay, now you can check your connection with Airtable by clicking on save and send test request, and this data will be saved here in a row in this table. Okay, so I'm going to click on save and send test request now, and you can see this is the response we have received here. Let me show you in Airtable if we got the data, and you can see we have received the data from our workflow here in Airtable like this. The first name is here, last name, the email, and the phone number, and this is the same data that we have mapped here that we have received in the Airtable. So this is how it is going to work. Now let me show you a real-time example how this is going to work, because we are done setting up this automation. Now let me open my form again which I have created. So this is a simple form I have created. You can customize this form according to yourself, according to your need. And let me fill this form again with the name as Heather Khan. Okay, this is the email, this is the phone number. Okay, and this is this address. And let me change the address a little bit. Okay, right, and I'm submitting this form here, and you can see the form is submitted successfully. Now I'm going to show you directly in Airtable if we got the data of this form submission, and here you can see in Airtable we got the data like this. Okay, so this is how it is going to work in real time, guys. And let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, I connected Pabbly Form Builder in the trigger. With the help of this webhook URL, we make the connection. We fetch the demo data from the form response like this, and then in the actions tab I connected Airtable to create a record, mapped the data like this, and checked our connection. So you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually. After that, it is going to work automatically. And guys, the best part is you can use this same workflow that I just created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start running this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.